Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you a little more about crawling. If you're not crawling, you're missing out on some ridiculously gentle strength training and some huge neurological benefits. Crawling it's really a miraculous movement. Anyway, I'm going to show you a fun way to crawl that actually hits your body at different angles, gives your brain a little bit of novelty, and it's just ridiculously simple. But it does keep crawling kind of fun. And what you do is you slalom. And so slaloming kind of puts your body at different angles, and it helps, well, it puts a little bit of twist and turns, so to speak, in your movements. Keeps your head on a swivel, and it makes crawling interesting. But look, contralateral movement, getting my stabilizers, my rotator cuffs to fire, the hip rotators to fire, strengthening my core, working at these different angles that my shoulders and spine wouldn't always go through, using my eyes and head, using my head to lead the body. Opposite limbs are moving together, strengthening my lower back right here, giving my brain some novelty in figuring out how to serpentine through these combs, how to try to act like a cat. Anyway, this is a miracle movement. It truly is. Ties your brain together, makes your nervous system efficient, helps develop a really efficient cardiovascular system, especially you do it with your lips shut, just breathe in and out through your nose. And it lays a solid foundation of reflexive strength, which is real strength, the foundation of all the strength that you could possibly express. Lays a solid foundation of reflexive strength to allow you to do anything you want to do. Yes, it looks ridiculous. Yes, babies do it. But yes, babies are strong and babies can do really cool stuff and they're very resilient. This makes you resilient. Anyway, using cones or objects, giving your brain a little something to play with while you're doing that, using your eyes and your head on the swivel, changing different angles. It is a great way to crawl and add novelty and change of direction, different stimulus to your crawling. And it's a great way to stay healthy and young. Anyway, it's that simple. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.